Hey, what's up guys? Been out here doing a little work on the bike. Finally, my wife's bike. Been so busy with the project in the garage, doing some work on my car. I might give a preview of that here coming up shortly, but unfortunately, as I was greasing the bearings on these, my camera just quit recording for some reason. I'm not sure why. But anyways, I used the red tacky grease on these bearings, and still got a little bit of slop on there from that. But I got the bearings greased up, getting ready to put new tubes in it. Got the rear rack to hold the gas tank on there, and the BMX style handlebars. I think that looks so much better than those, you know, the kind that goes around, you know, and you gotta pedal with your knees between the bars. But I'm not going to take the tires back, get the bearings all back apart just to show the process of greasing. There's plenty of videos on YouTube already about greasing bike bearings, so I'm just going to move on with this project. I'm cleaning up the rust on the wheels and putting new tubes on the tires and get them back on today. So let's get started again. And if you're wondering about the one glove thing, no, I'm not trying to act like Michael Jackson. I got a pretty nasty cut on that finger, and I got a band-aid on it, so thought I'd get a little protection from the grease and stuff when I was greasing the bearings this morning. That's the reason I'm wearing these. We'll put this right where it belongs, which is, yeah, looks like a good spot. There we go. Set that over there until we're ready for it. So I'm going to be using the old SLS pad and a little bit of purple power. Clean up these rims. Oh yeah, they're going to clean up real nice. And I'm going to continue on with this. I need to record every second of this cleanup here. Bore the hell out of you guys. Let's see how well you can see this. These wheels are cleaning up like brand new ones now. Lighting out here in my bike room is pretty bad. Got some pretty good rust there going on. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this. Keep scouring away on this. And we'll be right back when I got some progress to show you. Okay, now I got the front rim cleaned up. She's looking a heck of a lot better. It's a little smudgy from my hands and the rag I was using, but pretty much rust free now. So I'm going to start put the new wheel in, or the new inner tubes in there, and tire back on. She's like new now. Nice shiny clean rim. I don't think it's backwards road very much at all. It's still got the little rubber line right dead center of the tread. Now I just got to do the same thing to the rear tire. I started on cleaning the rim. Got one side of it done. Still got to do this side. Doesn't wear out my SOS pad though, so got to run to the store and get a new one. So we'll be back. Okay, got the rear wheel cleaned. Looks pretty good. There we go. Now I'll go get some air in and get her aired up. Okay, now I got both tires aired up. We'll go ahead and put those on. Bearings seem to be set, adjusted pretty good. Get my tire even here, chain tension good. Getting bearing grease all over me. No wobble on the bearings. They seem to be set pretty good. Now let's get her sitting upright. See how she's starting to look. Oh yeah. That's much gooder. Take a look at her here. New handlebars look good. Still got to order the clamp style brakes for front and back. Wheels look 100% better. So she's coming along. Get the rack straightened out here. So as I said in the previous short, this engine on the Cruiser, the 80cc, will be swapped over onto this bike. I'm going to use everything that came with the YD100 kit as far as clutch cables and all that to go onto this, since the Cruiser already has it. And I still need to get my, like I said, my rim brakes, clamp style brakes, hand brakes, whatever you want to call them, for this front and rear. Get them ordered on the way. That's the only thing it needs to be finished up besides putting the engine on. We'll do the engine swap here in a few days. Till then, you guys ride safe. We'll see you soon.